Hey everybody, welcome to Boom City Breaks on Saturday, August the 19th. Tonight we are breaking Gold Rush Hall of Fame jerseys. This is a multi-sport product and we did random letter sales, you can see just to the left here. We have already randomized both letters and customers. We then alphabetized the customers so everybody could see who they had a bit easier. Gave them some time to trade, but it doesn't seem like anything's going down. Guys usually don't trade letters too much. But here we go. Gonna pop your seal. Pop, pop, or pop, pop. Well, nice jersey, guys. I told you there was still something nasty left in these babies. Very happy to see this jersey. Y'all know who that is? That is Mr. Dr. J. I almost said Drader. That is a Dr. J. Julius Erving. Folks, gonna be a beautiful 76ers jersey. It's a custom, but she's a quality one. She's got the stars and such all the way down the sides. We are gonna look at that SIG and such in 1 second because it's a beauty. Told you there was something nasty left in this case, did I not, folks? Yep. Really great Julius Erving, man. Look at that. Really outstanding signature from one of the guys, as you guys said yesterday. As they get older, retired, they start, appreciating this stuff, and they start doing full SIGs. They instead of these little tiny. But that is a wonderful Julius Erving. Let me grab another box full of bags. I actually ran out. Throw that baby directly in that bag. Really great hit. Who has E? You see, that's a letter a lot of guys complain about getting. Yeah, and that's a wonderful hit for Mr. Vizap. Mr. Vizap going to take home a wonderful jersey. I'm sure he's going to be getting a lot of trade requests for that baby in the Facebook group once people see that thing was hit. Bam! For you, boom. Yeah, nice hit for you, bud. I think so. Come on, guys. Keep this baby going. Plastic off that's the way. Grab a knife. Pop of seal 1, pop of seal 2. Alright, guys. Have not a clue. No idea. Ramsey Hall of Fame 87? Oh, Raymond Barry. Yeah, I don't know. It looked like a Ramsey. Yep, a Raymond Barrett, folks. That is going to be a Golden State jersey, it looks like. Right? It could be. Yes, sir. That is the Golden State. Rick Barry. Sorry, Rick Barry. Not Raymond, Rick Barry. Sorry. Everybody yelling at me. That's alright, though. Rick Barry, Golden State jersey. Very nice, clean, custom. You see, guys, that was not a bad case at all, I don't think. We pulled Cepeda, Jerry Rice, Rick Barry, and... Yep. Yeah, and the Julius Erving, folks. So that was not a bad case at all, and not all NFL. Last time, man, that thing had a. It seemed to be way, way, way jam packed with NFL, and we're hitting a lot of nice variety in this product. So you guys can't complain too much about that, guys. Yeah, it seemed like last time was about 2/3 NFL. So yeah, this time we seem to be getting a nice little mix. So. Who hits the B? Oh my God, Detroit. You see? Detroit is having himself a one hell of a day, guys. You all have a good one.